we are in the middle of winter in the Northern Hemisphere. We have rain, snow, ice storms, everything. So we wanted to show you guys 12 different crafts that you can use to brighten up your January.
All right, let's get started with craft number 1. These giant paper Gerber daisies that would look great on anybody's wall.
They're made from our crepe paper and our new cardstock that we have in our shop. And here's craft number 2. And this is a super groovy tote bag that you can make with vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, and felt.
And this is our theme for 2023. Let's make today a good day.
Every day.
And for craft number 3, we have this very cool wall hanging.
It's woven and I think it's pretty shagalicious.
Agreed.
You guys might be seeing a theme here. We did decide to go a little bit groovy for our January collection and bring it into Valentine's Day. So here we go, roller skates that you can make for your little Valentines. And they can learn how to tie their laces.
Continuing on with our Valentine's Day theme, I designed this paper cut card and it comes in 2 pieces. You can either print this out or make it yourself.
And I think this would make a gorgeous framed art piece.
I agree.
At number 6, here is the cutest, happiest daisy bookmark. You can use felt and some embroidery thread, and this is a great little gift for Valentine's Day or any day.
And it's a great craft for beginners. Number 7, I made these little conversation heart, either ornaments or hand warmers. You can either fill them with rice or with stuffy puff, and I think they turn out just adorable.
And the thing I love about these, you can either use heat transfer to put on your little conversations, or you can actually embroider them.
This one's my favorite.
And number 8 is a real gorgeous one. We have our Gerber daisies made in felt. Thank you, Krista. She really knows how to knock felt flowers out of the park.
And bring a little sunshine any time of the year. And Krista is continuing to add to our felt barnyard, and she made these really cute felt pigs.
And I do think those are perfect for Valentine's Day too. And for your paper plant greenhouse, we have this Monstera minima. This is actually a smaller Monstera that works as a vine plant.
And for those of us who are a little chilly, you can dress up your sweater with this really cute little design, and it's pretty easy to do.
I definitely think that it is cool to be kind. And for our January member make for all of our members, we do have this hybrid tea rose. It's made out of crepe paper and there is so much detail. Megan's going to teach us how to make this step by step. And I'm telling you, if you finish this, you'll be very happy in January.
This rose is a little bit more of an advanced design, and I think the details are absolutely gorgeous. And don't forget, our annual calendar is free for everyone. You can download it on our website right now.
And you can find the link below. So I've been hearing from all of our members that time is so important, and we're gonna work on that throughout the year. And the first thing we can do to help clear out our lives so we can have more time is learn how to declutter. So I'm setting a challenge. I found this amazing declutter workbook. You can download it in the collection if you're a member. I've printed it out and I'm actually going to start decluttering my house, and I invite you to work along with me so that we have more clear space to craft.
This sounds like such a wonderful New Year's project.
Well, I'll print one out for you too.
Thank you.
I hope these craft ideas help you bring more sunshine into your crafting day.
We look forward to seeing you next month and have a wonderful January.